The legal consequences for sexting are bad, but there are other consequences that may matter even more, because you have value far beyond your legal status. You can avoid these by not creating nude images in the first place. Click on the boxes to hear how sexting can affect your well-being.
Sexting doesn't only affect you and your partner. It can make your family and friends victims as well. Parents, friends, brothers, and sisters could be shamed or bullied if your pictures are shared. Your parents will be very distressed if your images become public. If you don't want your grandma to see your picture, don't share it.
You are important, and you want to protect yourself. If you or your friends sext, you make yourselves more vulnerable to bullying if your images get out. You deserve to be healthy and safe, and we know that students who are bullied are more likely to have poor physical health, to harm themselves, and to have thoughts of suicide. Victims of sexting have reported anxiety, depression, panic, and substance abuse. If you are facing any of these problems, look to the resources in this course or talk to a trusted adult. There is help for you. How about school? Students who are humiliated by having their privacy violated are less likely to do well in school. They are less likely to even want to attend. The aftermath of sexting can mean dropped grades, lost activities, even dropping out. It all adds up to lost dreams. It is hard to get into college these days, and a criminal record can make it much harder. Remember all that legal stuff we talked about? That all costs money. Fines, court costs, lawyers, it's expensive. That's separate from dollars potentially lost because you can't apply for financial aid for college, get that scholarship you were hoping for, or join the military. And don't forget the cost of the phone that was just taken away. There is also the consideration of your lost income if you can't pursue the career you desire, and your parents' lost income because of legal tangles and restrictions.
Sexting places you at risk to have others betray your trust. You can take steps to prevent that betrayal by making smart digital choices. Don't sext, and don't ask for pictures either. If your image is shared without your permission, you could face shame and humiliation.
Sexting is a behavior that can cause harm if others violate our sexual privacy. Click on the circles to hear some suggestions to prevent that from happening. It's a good idea to check your phone in at night to charge with a parent or caretaker. You will be less tempted to be secretive with your phone, and you'll get more sleep.
Never ask others for nude pictures. There are plenty of ways to say no to people who send you pictures you don't want, or ask you for pictures you don't want to send. Here are a few. No. I already told you no, and I meant it. Let's ask Grandma first, or Dad. If you cared about me, you wouldn't ask me to take a risk like that. I'm afraid the pictures would get out. I have too much at stake. Nobody can guarantee that the pictures are safe. My parents have told me never to do that. My camera is broken. Quit sending me gross pictures. You get the idea.